Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to get a receipt on Travelocity. To get a receipt for your booking on Travelocity, these are the steps that you need to take. The first thing you like to do is to open your browser and go to www.travelocity.com. Once you're in the website, just follow through the on-screen prompts to create your account or to log in using your existing account credentials. Once you're logged in, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a couple of features to have an exciting time on Travelocity. Well, now that we're here, the next thing you're going to do is to click on Trips, which is in the top right corner of the screen, to open your trips details. Alright, or the trip details. So all your upcoming and past trips will be organized here. In the trips section, locate the booking for which you want to get a receipt. Have you located it? Now, the next step is to select that trip. Once you select your trip, it will display all the details of your booking, including flight, hotel, car rental, or package information. Now, look for an option like View Invoice or Download Receipt in that trip details page. Now, this will either display a downloadable PDF of your receipt or show it directly on the screen, which you can save or print. If this option isn't readily visible, you can definitely find it under Payment or Itinerary sections of your booking. Alternatively, after booking or completing your transaction, Travelocity may automatically send a receipt to the email address associated with your account. So check your inbox or spam folder for an email titled something like booking confirmation or receipts from Travelocity. Now, if you're unable to find or download the receipts, click on support in the top right corner of the page and use the available contact methods, which probably the only available is a live chat, which is at the bottom right corner of the screen, to request a copy of the receipt. Now, your receipt would typically include the booking number, payment method, and a detailed breakdown of the charges. If you have trouble receiving receipts, ensure that your email preferences are set to receive booking confirmations and receipts under your account settings. Now, go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.